Welcome to our newest product, ZACTRACK Mini. ZACTRACK Mini is the newest member of the ZACTRACK family, joining the Pro and the Smart products to form a comprehensive product lineup of real-time, following solutions to meet all your tracking needs and criteria. Mini takes the fundamental core values of ZACTRACK, gained from years of pioneering experience, and condenses them both physically in the size of the components and the size of the performance space. So, shall we see what's in the Mini kit? The Mini kit contains 5 mini anchors. All of these are battery powered. There is one master anchor with multiple uses, so this master anchor is also the server for a mini system. Additionally, it is the wireless access point for communication with the Android tablet. Finally, it is also a DMX node for direct connection to lighting fixtures. We have 5 trackers in a mini kit and of course its charging cradle. There are 6 mini tripods, so all anchors can be mounted quickly and easily. We also have various accessories in the kit, so you don't need anything else. Everything is housed in a lightweight, portable and robust case. Mini now brings battery-powered, cable-free components that are set up effortlessly by one person in minutes. Along with its sister products, Pro and Smart, what stays the same is the quality of the tracking, the stable, reliable and accurate data. That data allows simultaneous real-time tracking for lighting, audio, video, cameras and stage automation. Mini is really opening up tracking to a whole new world of applications and users. So smaller theaters and rental companies, TV studios, performers and designers wanting to own their own equipment, house of worship, exhibitions and education. Mini works with any stage technology, any console, any fixture, and always with functionality, creativity and user friendliness at its core.